This is the admin. Let's see what kind of mail. I should really check my mail before I leave. Oh, empty. Yay. So I like that. The stench is permeating my nostrils. All those beautiful records destroyed. This is our supply room. Oh, yuck, yuck, yuck. Copy machine. Those things were bigger than the size of my first car. But they're good now. Okay, coming back out to the main hall. Mechanical room. I'm knocking out sheetrock in our self-contained classrooms. It's just a disaster in here. There's still some water pooling. Okay, I'm grabbing my stuff and going.